Welcome to a meditation about acceptance and the next step forward. Take a moment to find a comfortable position. Let your body settle wherever you are. Allow your shoulders to soften. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose and let it fall out through your mouth. Let's do that again. Breathing in and breathing out. There is nowhere you need to be right now. Nothing you need to fix in this moment. Just breathe. Today, we are exploring acceptance. Acceptance is often misunderstood. It does not mean approval. It does not mean agreement. And it certainly does not mean you have to like what is happening. Acceptance simply means acknowledging what is here, right now, in this moment, without fighting the fact that it exists. Take a breath and allow that idea to settle. Sometimes life brings moments that feel unfair, heavy, or confusing. Moments that we wish were different. It is human to resist those moments, to want to push them away. But resistance can quietly drain our energy. Acceptance gives that energy back. Acceptance says, this is where I am today. Not forever, just today. And today is enough. Notice if there is something in your life right now that you have been struggling against. You don't need to dive deeply into it. Simply acknowledge it. And gently say to yourself, I may not like this, but this is where I am today. Take a breath. Notice if something softens even slightly. Acceptance is not giving up. Acceptance is creating space. Space to breathe. Space to think clearly. Space to take the next step. Hope lives in that space. Hope does not demand certainty. Hope does not require knowing the entire path. Hope simply whispers, maybe the next step is possible. Not the whole journey, just the next step. And that is how forward movement begins. One breath, one small moment of acceptance, one next step. Imagine standing on a path in front of you. You cannot see the entire road, only the ground in front of your feet. And that's okay, because you do not need to see the entire path to begin walking. All you need is the willingness to take the next step. Hope lives there, in the quiet courage to keep moving. I invite you to place a hand over your heart. And if that feels comforting, gently tell yourself, I can accept today. I don't have to like it. but I can meet it with compassion. And from here, I can take the next step. Take a slow breath in and a long breath out. Feel the steadiness of your breath. Feel the quiet strength that lives inside you. Even in difficult moments, hope is still there, and you are still moving forward. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders, wiggle your toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this with you today. You do not have to solve everything. You only need to meet today with acceptance and take